Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can simulate scan body temperature on your Lenovo Tab M7. So at the start open the Play Store and look for the body temperature app. Now tap on this one and install it. After that, of course, open. Okay, now skip. And close that. Now go to the simulation section, and if you want to start the process, just hold the finger in this place. Now close that like before. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, just click on this button and click save. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.